Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet. I'm in the kitchen today. I don't know how well this is going to work out for us. Today is the day before Easter, the 11th, I think, of April. This is Charm Chatter number 43. Excuse me. And I just really wanted to show you the curtains in the kitchen. This is my kitchen window behind me. Pardon me. I'm sorry, I haven't been speaking to anyone too much today, or I had to go to work for a little while. So my voice is rusty in the mornings usually, if I don't talk a lot. So, okay, so here we go. You can see them in the background here. And I will get out of the way and show you a better picture, but it is sunny today, which doesn't happen a lot. So they turned out really cute. I really love them. I finished them at like 1 o'clock last night. Because I didn't just crochet on them all day yesterday like I wanted to. So anyway, I did make them bigger. I did not even work on the ones for the side door or the back door. I have 3 doors. So there's a side door, which is this way, and then my windows, and then there's a back door here that we don't use. We used to, because it goes out to a deck in the pool, and when the kids were little, that was like the easiest access to the pool. But we don't use that door anymore, and now I have a shelf that sits kind of in front of it. So it's not an area you really want to see. We do the pool from the side door, and I'm not going to put a curtain there because it'll just get stuck in the door, I think. So anyway, this is the finished, and I'll show you a better picture in a minute. The stained glass is something that I did make, and I put them there just for the video. Normally they don't sit there because one day I have to get bigger suction cups. I just never remember to. And so while I still have you in this position, I did want to show you that I finished. Oh, so I got the stuff I ordered in the mail. Look at this. Whole big bunch of eyes. Oh, wait, let's show you from the back side. Eyes, and there's different color eyes in there, clear, blue, brown, like a goldish color, and red. And then all these are black, different sizes. And then there's different noses, red and pink, and this one looks like a dog's nose, and like more heart-shaped, more little rounded. I'm not going to pull them all out, but then they came with the different backs. And so that was really cool. And I thought these were the eyes I was waiting for the bunny rabbit for Chloe. And the biggest eyes weren't quite big enough once I put it together. And then I ordered these things. I think these are heavier than I thought they were going to be, actually. And they came earlier than I thought, earlier than they said they would. But I was able to put the little things on. I really kind of wanted to get plastic ones, but I think I'm glad I got these metal ones. So I was able to put the bunnies on for their backpack buddies. Not sure if I did it right, but they're on there, so that worked out. And then Chloe's rabbit, the original eyes I didn't like, so I mean just the black eye, it was just too small for the size of the rabbit. And I'm not sure, I'm going to let her decide if she wants the ears up or down. And so anyway, then I got that's one of the noses that I put on the like beak, I don't know, where he says he thinks the nose part here is too big, but it is what it is. It's what I got, and it's what she gets. So that's how the bunny actually turned out. I just like embroidered, you know what I mean, just stitched to make the eye look bigger. Then I tried to embroider eyelashes, but that turned out really terrible. It has no whiskers because I didn't have anything, and I didn't think to order anything. I didn't, so no whiskers, but that's okay. She'll love it just the way it is. So now let me get behind you and show you the curtain. I hope you don't get washed out with the sun that keeps like fading behind and above. So that's how they turned out. I did steam them once they were hung. And if you look up close, let me see if I can get you, see the rod and how it attaches there? It's a double rod. And like I said, I'm just going to leave the doubleness. I don't know. I can't. I hope you can see it. I can't see what you can see when I have the camera turned that way. So anyway, the rod is really kind of cool. Let me see if I can get it more in the picture. There, if I stand this way. So the mount to it has the corner in the front, and then the thick part comes back like as a pulley action thing on it, and that's how that rod goes in there. So anyway, it's kind of cool. So it's unique. So when I do the curtains for the other window, for the door, I'm just going to get some kind of brassish colored, copperish, black, I don't know what the hell, something in the dark brass kind of color, decorative rod to stick on the door. Because right now it has a white rod on it. So that's what I have. That's what I've worked on. That's what I finished. I have the centers. See how the flowers are like 3 sections, the white center, and then there's a color around it, and then you get the petal part. So I have all the center sections done. I just need to put the petals together. I don't think the window will take many more than maybe 5 or 6 across, so I should get that done real quick. And then I'll be done with that, and I have several projects already in mind to start, but I'm not going to start them until I get at least I don't think I will, until I get the other curtain done. I'm going to just put them up on a white rod because that's what I got until I can, go to another store. When the corona is over, I'm not going to rush to buy a curtain rod. It's not that big of a deal. So, I hope everyone is well. This is just a quick video to show you the finished product before my counters get all messed up again. I did clean off the counter some. This is our working space, so there's coffee pots and stuff. There's stuff, and sorry for the shakiness of the video, but I didn't have anything that was tall. My intention was to sit on the counter with the windows behind me and do the video, but none of my tripods or anything was tall enough for that, so now I had to hold it. So that's what you got. And the green thing in the middle, I did not, right there, I did not make that. I know it is stained glass, but I did not make that. That was a gift. But I did make, I don't know if you guys ever noticed, let me show you. Don't mind if you see the mess around anything in the background. But I did make this lampshade. I'll show you. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah. This is one of the first projects I ever made, was this lampshade. Since we're being mobile, I just thought I'd give you that, show you that. Oh, now you can see from the inside. But that's what we got. Did I ever show you the window? Okay, we'll show you the window too. I think I might have shown you the window. And it's really messy over here, guys. I shouldn't show you the window. I don't have any, my house is old. I think I've told you that before. And I don't have any closets. And since I took over the spare bedroom for my yarn room, now all the toys and my desk and all of that are shoved in the corner of the dining room. So that's the corner I'm going to show you right now, where the other window is that I made. Or, well, the only window that I've actually made. Let's see if you can see it. So that's my major stained glass projects in the house. I've given away stuff, but like I said, I don't work on stained glass very often. Now would be a good time because I could cut my fingers and still heal and still get back to work and not have band-aids if I worked. But then I wouldn't get my curtains done. So priorities, need curtains. So that's what I got for you today. Tomorrow is Easter. For those of you that celebrate, happy Easter. For those of you that do not celebrate, happy Sunday. To all of you, stay safe. Stay corona-free, whatever that entails for you. And have a great day. See you next time. Bye.